So I'm ready to start unboxing my product from Lashy Doodle. Here we go. Open it up. And the first thing I see, it's very nicely wrapped. Lashy Doodle. It has the application instructions, tips and tricks in here. Very cool product. Worn by a lot of models and very easy to use, so I'm told. But we're gonna find out today. So this kit comes with a set of these eyelashes and a set of these eyelashes. Nice big eyelashes. And of course, this is cruelty-free, 100% vegan, and hypoallergenic. Comes with a little scissor in the kit. It has the Lashy Doodle magnetic eyeliner. And one more thing. It comes with the Lashy Doodle eyeliner brush. And it's actually 2 brushes, 1 brush on each side. Has like a thicker brush on this side and a thinner brush on this side. So let's see how this works. So I'm going to open this up and I'm going to use this to, let's see, maybe I'm going to start with the small one first. Okay, and I'm going to put this on the lid of my eye. And that goes on pretty easily, actually. So I found that very smooth and easy to put on. Okay. Now I'm going to open up one of the eyelashes. And I'm going to show you how it goes on. A very nice casing. Alright, so I feel that it does have magnets on, but they are very light magnets. Okay, so here we go. Oh, that was fast. It just pops right on there. It's super light. It's not like the eyelash glue. It's very light. So I'm going to try the other one. I'm so excited about this. This is going to make it so much easier to put on these eyelashes. Sometimes they're just such a pain in the ass. And they're on. Wow. Look how big they are. Wow, I love it. So that's it. That's Lashy Doodle. And you can see they're just quick and easy to put on eyelashes with magnets. And then you can just take them right off. No sticky glue, nothing. And put them back on. So cool. So excited about Lashy Doodle.